Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a very beautiful face. Start with a consistent routine. Cleansing removes impurities, while moisturizing keeps your skin supple and prevents dryness. Don't forget sun protection. It's crucial for preventing premature aging and maintaining an even skin tone. These 3 steps form the foundation of a healthy, radiant complexion, setting the stage for a truly beautiful face. Beyond topical treatments, your lifestyle significantly impacts your skin's appearance. Adequate hydration flushes toxins, while sufficient sleep allows your skin to repair itself. A nutritious diet provides essential vitamins and antioxidants, contributing to a natural glow from within. These habits are simple yet profoundly effective for achieving a beautiful face. To elevate your skincare, consider adding targeted treatments. Exfoliation reveals brighter skin, while serums deliver potent ingredients to address specific concerns like fine lines or uneven tone. Face masks offer an intensive boost, providing deep hydration or purification. These additions can significantly enhance your skin's texture and overall radiance, bringing you closer to a truly beautiful face. Makeup can beautifully enhance your features. Select colors that harmonize with your complexion and consider highlighting one key feature to create a balanced look. Remember, clean brushes prevent breakouts and ensure smooth application. The goal is to accentuate your natural beauty, not mask it, allowing your inherent radiance to shine through for a truly beautiful face.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.